Hello shoppers! I have a great product over here I would like to share it with you. It's an outdoor lounge chair from BSTOKCAM store and I received it for the evaluation purposes and this is my personal opinion. The chair is very nicely designed, high quality, durable, also lightweight, weighs only 18 pounds and it's super comfortable. Besides that, it's designed with the adjustable backrest. It has 5 different positions so you can easily switch between sitting and laying down. It's also very well made out of high-quality aluminum frame. It's sturdy, durable and long-lasting and can support for up to 350 pounds. And the fabric is very nice. It's comfortable, soft. It also porous that provides with the air ventilation and breathability, and it also fast drying. This lounge chair is a great choice. Quality is wonderful, it's very comfortable and so useful and convenient. It's a perfect addition to a backyard, patio, deck, pool, beach or anywhere else you'll find it useful for. Foldable design allows you to take it with you anytime, anywhere, and it doesn't take much space to store. I like this product very much and I will highly recommend it to you.